ListView in SwiftUI, a beginner's guide. SwiftUI makes creating lists incredibly simple and intuitive. In today's video, we'll explore ListView, one of the most powerful and versatile components in SwiftUI. Let's dive in. ListView is used to display rows of data in a scrollable list. Whether you're building a to-do app, a contacts app, or a settings page, ListView is your go-to tool. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple list. Use dynamic data with ListView. Add interactivity and customization. Ready? Let's jump into the code. Once Xcode is open, click on Create a new Xcode project. Select the app template under iOS and click Next. Now give your project a name. Let's call it ListView Demo. Make sure the interface is set to SwiftUI and the language is Swift. Leave the other options as default and click Next. Choose a location to save your project and click Create. Xcode will now generate a basic SwiftUI project for you. Step 1. Creating a simple list. Text apple. Text banana. Text cherry. This is how you create a static list. Each text view represents an individual row. Let's run the run application. As you can see, we have a scrollable list with 3 items: apple, banana, and cherry. Step 2. Dynamic data in ListView. Now create an array of fruits. Here, we're using an array of strings to dynamically populate the list. The ID self-identifies each item uniquely. Let's run the run application. Now the list updates automatically if we change the array. It's that simple. Step 3. Adding custom views and interactivity. Now we will add image and text inside HTag. Add this HTag to the list. HTag image, system name, leaf truffle, foreground color green pal, text fruit font headline. We can replace text with a custom view. Here, I've added an icon using image and styled the text. Let's run the run application. Pretty cool, right? You can create complex layouts inside each row. Step 4. Handling an on-tap gesture to each row. On-tap gesture. Print, eat fruit, tapped. Using on-tap gesture, you can detect when a user taps on a row. In this example, we're logging the tapped item in the console. Let's run the application. This is great for navigation or triggering actions when a user interacts with your list. You can see the details of the selected item in the console. And that's the basics of ListView in SwiftUI. We've covered static lists, dynamic data, custom row layouts, and interactivity. There's so much more you can do with ListView, like swipe actions and sections, which we'll explore in future videos. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more SwiftUI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next one.